In this video, we will be discussing how to buy, sell, and store your cryptocurrencies safely. If you are new to the world of cryptocurrencies, buying and selling can be a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, we are here to guide you through the process. Firstly, you need to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange platform. There are many exchanges out there, so it is essential to do your research and choose the one that suits your needs. Some of the most popular exchanges are Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Once you have chosen an exchange, you need to sign up and complete the verification process. This process may require you to provide personal information, such as your ID, address, and bank account details. After completing the verification process, you can fund your account using your preferred payment method. Most exchanges support bank transfers, credit cards, and debit cards. Now, you are ready to buy your first cryptocurrency. Choose the coin you want to buy and enter the amount you wish to purchase. Once the transaction is complete, your coins will be credited to your exchange wallet. When it comes to selling your cryptocurrencies, the process is relatively simple. You need to choose the coin you want to sell and enter the amount you wish to sell. Once the transaction is complete, the funds will be credited to your exchange wallet. Now, let's talk about storing your coins safely. It is essential to keep your cryptocurrencies in a secure wallet to prevent them from getting stolen. There are two types of wallets: hardware wallets and software wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private keys offline, making them less susceptible to hacking. On the other hand, software wallets are digital wallets that are stored online, making them more vulnerable to cyber attacks. We recommend using a hardware wallet for long-term storage, such as Trezor or Ledger Nano. However, for day-to-day use, software wallets like Exodus or MyEtherWallet are suitable. In conclusion, buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies can be a bit tricky for beginners. But by following the tips we have provided, you can safely invest in cryptocurrencies and take advantage of this exciting new market. Thank you for watching this video on Crypto for Beginners. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more cryptocurrency-related content.